Welcome to the heart of the historic district, where timeless architecture, rich character, and modern comfort come together in perfect harmony. I'm Christina Sadler with the Christi Reece Group, and this is my newest listing, 604 North 7th Street in beautiful downtown Grand Junction. Let's go take a look. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by the unmistakable warmth of quarter-sawn oak flooring, bringing both craftsmanship and elegance underfoot. High ceilings and original crown molding add volume and vintage flair, while tall windows fill the space with natural light. Every room offers a thoughtful blend of historic detail and modern updates, from warm wood finishes and graceful trim work to updated fixtures that elevate everyday living. This is the kind of home that tells a story, full of heart, heritage, and natural beauty. This lot is generous and shaded by mature trees, with a backyard and patio space made perfect for an evening glass of wine or a s'more at the fire pit. And when you're ready to explore downtown Grand Junction, it's just a short walk away. Grab a dinner at your favorite spot, catch live music on Main Street, or spend Thursday evenings at the farmers market, all just blocks from your front door. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle rooted in charm, craftsmanship, and community, wrapped in architecture that stands the test of time. And this one deserves to be seen in person. So when you're ready, give me a call at 805-816-4788. I look forward to showing you around.